Samsung is gearing up to introduce three new Galaxy A series smartphones on March 2, 2025: the Galaxy A56, Galaxy A36, and Galaxy A26. While leaks have already given a glimpse of their design and features, a retailer in Nigeria, Pointech, has now revealed pricing details and pre-order information for the Galaxy A56 and Galaxy A36. This provides an early indication of how much these models might cost in other regions. Based on the listing, the Galaxy F56 will come in two storage options. The version with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage is priced at 565,000 Nigerian naira, which is approximately 373 US dollars. The higher storage variant, offering 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, will be available for 604,000 Nigerian naira, translating to about 399 US dollars. Similarly, the Galaxy F36 follows a structured pricing approach. The base model is listed at 446,000 Nigerian naira, which is around 295 US dollars, while the 256 GB version is set at 519,000 Nigerian naira, approximately 343 US dollars. Pre-orders for these devices started on February 26, 2025, and will continue until March 12, 2025. Customers placing an early order will receive additional perks, including a travel adapter, a Galaxy Fit 3, and a premium protective cover. Although details about the charger are unclear, the included case seems to be a silicone one, possibly resembling the official Samsung silicone cases seen in previous leaks. What stands out in this announcement is that Nigeria is one of the first countries to start pre-orders, even ahead of major markets like India, where the Galaxy A series has a strong customer base. However, it is expected that pre-orders in other regions will become available on the official launch date. With only a short time left before the unveiling, Samsung is likely to confirm these details soon. Additionally, a leaked image from the Nigerian retailer showcases the color options for the Galaxy A56, which include blue, pink, green, and black. The image also confirms that the device will feature a punch-hole display along with a triple camera setup on the rear, aligning with previously leaked renders and teaser videos. Another interesting mention in the listing is the circle to search feature, which has so far been seen on Samsung's high-end devices. If this feature makes its way to the A series, it could enhance the software experience for users looking for more advanced functionalities in mid-range smartphones. Samsung's A series has consistently been a strong performer in multiple markets, offering a balance of features, performance, and affordability. While the pricing in Nigeria provides a general idea of what to expect, official pricing for other regions may vary depending on factors like taxes and local market conditions. Among the three models, the Galaxy F56 appears to be the premium offering, likely boasting a better display, improved performance, and upgraded camera system compared to the A36 and A26. As the launch date approaches, more details are expected to emerge regarding availability and pricing in different regions. One key selling point for these new Galaxy A series models is Samsung's commitment to providing 6 years of software updates, which adds significant value by ensuring long-term software support for buyers. With competition in the mid-range smartphone market heating up, these new models will need to offer strong performance and features to attract customers. What do you think about the pricing and pre-order bonuses of the Galaxy A56 and Galaxy A36? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. Google's upcoming Pixel 9a might not be as budget-friendly as some had hoped. A new report suggests the phone's pricing could be higher than expected, which may change how it competes in the mid-range smartphone market. Leaks about the Pixel 9a have been circulating for months, with detailed renders, live images, and even hands-on videos giving a clear look at the device. It was even seen alongside Samsung's unannounced Galaxy S25 Edge, making it one of the most thoroughly revealed upcoming phones. While its design and features are well documented, one thing that has remained uncertain is its price, until now. According to a trusted source, the Pixel 9a will start at $499 in the United States for the 128 GB model, with the 256 GB version priced at $599. In the United Kingdom, the price will likely be £499 and £599, respectively. Canadian buyers can expect to pay $679 for the base model and $809 for the higher storage variant. Across Europe, prices vary slightly, with the phone reportedly starting at €559 in Ireland, while markets like France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and Belgium are expected to see a €549 base price and €649 for the 256 GB version. This pricing is in line with previous reports, though some rumors had hinted at a more affordable launch, especially in certain European regions. Hopes of a lower cost option have now faded, and instead, the Pixel 9a appears to be following the same pricing pattern as its predecessor, the Pixel 8a. That model also launched at $499 in the United States and similar price points in other regions. While keeping the same price isn't unusual, some potential buyers may have expected a slight drop, especially with increasing competition in the mid-range segment. Earlier speculation suggested that the Pixel 9a could be priced at around $449 or €499, while offering premium features like a 120Hz OLED display, 8 gigabytes of RAM, a dual camera system with 48 megapixel and 13 megapixel sensors, and a 5,100 mAh battery. If that pricing had been accurate, it would have made the Pixel 9 one of the most competitive options in its category. However, with the confirmed pricing, it now faces stronger challenges from rival brands. The real test for the Pixel 9a is how well it stacks up against competitors in the same price range. Compared to Apple's upcoming iPhone 16e, Samsung's Galaxy S24 FE, and the OnePlus 13R, the Pixel 9a has some advantages, but it also comes with trade-offs. It will be slightly more affordable than Apple's entry-level model and Samsung's Fan Edition device, though it sits at a higher price point than Motorola's mid-range options or Samsung's Galaxy, a 35 5G. Another factor to consider is the standard Pixel 9, which is expected to launch at $799 but frequently sees discounts, dropping it to $699 or even $649. If its price falls further to $599, buyers may find it more worthwhile to choose the standard Pixel 9 instead, as it offers a better camera, a more premium build, and additional features over the Pixel 9a. OnePlus is another brand bringing strong competition, with the OnePlus 13R offering more base storage than the Pixel 9a, an extra 4 gigabytes of RAM, a larger and higher quality display, a bigger battery, and a triple camera system, rather than a dual lens setup. Hubl's biggest advantage remains its long-term software support, but a slightly lower price tag would have made the Pixel 9 a much stronger contender. Despite the higher-than-expected pricing, the Pixel 9 still has a lot to offer, especially for users who prefer a clean Android experience with years of software updates. The question now is whether its price will affect its appeal in a competitive market. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news. For years, Apple has kept a familiar look for the iPhone, but could that finally be changing? The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to introduce one of the biggest design updates in a long time. Leaks suggest Apple may be switching up the camera layout, making this model look noticeably different from its predecessors. But with various reports floating around, is this redesign actually happening, or is it just another rumor that won't come true? Recent images shared by insider Sonny Dixon reveal an iPhone 17 Pro Max inside a MagSafe case. What's interesting is that the case design doesn't match the ones made for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, hinting at some major adjustments. The biggest difference appears to be in the camera system. Apple has stuck with a triangular camera layout on its Pro models for quite some time, but the iPhone 17 Pro Max might feature a larger, horizontal